Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from an old Moka pot. It's a device where coffee is brewed using steam. So let's start taking it apart. Unscrew the two screws and open the back cover. You need to remove the heating element from the coffee maker, which has the thermal relay attached to it. This is the main part you need for the do-it-yourself project, and you'll also need an old digital versatile disc player. Unscrew the screws and remove the cover. Disconnect the wire and then take out everything that's inside. You need to drill several holes in the back wall of the case. We continue disassembling. Now we need to attach a strip of metal to the back wall. On one edge of the case you need to drill 3 holes and then attach a piece of textilite with rivets. Drill another through hole through the textilite, then insert a bolt there and tighten the nut. Disconnect the wires with the button from the heating element and attach it to the textilite. On the side of the case, you need to drill holes. First, I do this with a thin drill bit and then I widen it to 12 millimeters. Next, you'll need a piece of copper tube with a diameter of 10 millimeters. You need to bend it as shown in the video. The tube got a bit flattened, so I straightened it out using a hammer. Here's what I got. I stepped back about 10 centimeters from the edge. Drill a hole in the tube. Let's continue. You need to attach another small piece of tube to this hole and solder it. I'm soldering it using a gas torch, and here's what I got. Everything is soldered securely. Now we put on 2 clamps and attach this tube to the heating element from the coffee maker. The piece we soldered should go through the side hole. In the digital versatile disc case, using a screwdriver, tighten the screws so the clamps hold firmly. The copper tube also needs to be attached to the case so nothing is loose. There are 2 holes in the front panel of the digital versatile disc. Insert the button into one of them and attach it back to the case. In the other hole, insert the wire with the plug and connect it to the heating element through the button. Also, connect the fuse through the thermal relay. To keep the wires from dangling, secure them with cable ties. This is how things turned out for me. Now close the cover and tighten the screws and so on. The do-it-yourself project is almost finished. As you can see, everything is done neatly and reliably. For now, set this aside and take a plastic bottle from some shampoo. You need to cut part of the cap and the bottle itself to fit the tube that comes out of the body. Apply sealant. Now put the bottle cap onto it. It should fit tightly and everything should be sealed. After putting on the cap, screw the bottle part into it. That's it. The do-it-yourself project is finished. Now attach it to the wall and pour in the water. Plug our device into the socket and make sure all the air comes out through the bottle. I think at this point in the video, many of you realize that this turned out to be a small heater. It's very economical and is suitable for heating a small room. Everything is made reliably and safely. It has a thermal compressor, a thermal relay, and an expansion tank. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.